This week, the shop's working on the ultimate Doweling Jig 2.0. Here's a behind-the-scenes look into how they're made. Starting at a CNC mill, the base and fences are machined out of billets of aluminum in a 4-part process. Next, the stainless steel cam plates used to space the bushings are laser cut. On a CNC lathe, the drill guide bushings are milled out of stainless steel. Finally, the base of the jig is sent to laser engraving, where it is engraved with logos and scale markings. The Ultimate Doweling Jig 2.0 is finishing up in production and will be shipped soon. Stay tuned for more production updates.